guys, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. So for today's video, I'm just going to sit down and share with you guys 5 things that I've started following recently, and I'm so happy that I've incorporated these things in my life because they are amazing. कुछ काफ़ी टाइम से कर रही हूँ और कुछ recently start किया है, so if you want to know about them, keep on watching the video. Number 1 is the 1 in 1 out rule. That means that you buy one item and you have to let go of another item from your life. For example, you buy a t-shirt and you have to let go of one t-shirt from your wardrobe that you already had. I got to know about this while I was watching a video on minimalism. And I was like, oh my god, how come I never knew about this? You know, I really want to start following this because I have this great inclination towards minimalism and I want to follow it thoroughly. So yeah, this is the one thing that I've started following recently, and this is honestly life changing. Like, I have bought a couple of things and I have given away a couple of things from my wardrobe, and I think it helps. इस तरह से ना आपकी लाइफ में अननेसेसरी चीज़ें इकट्ठा नहीं होगी and your life will be much more sorted, I feel. Also, one more thing I want to add that इसे फॉलो करने से ना you'll control a lot on your shopping. आप सिर्फ वही चीज़ें खरीदेंगे जो बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. I mean, you'll just cut down on all the unnecessary shopping that you do in your life. Number 2 is being a conscious buyer. Now, what does that mean? It means that while you shop, you do take care of the environment. I have started with very, very simple things, and you can also do that. Instead of buying new bottles every time, I try to buy the refill pack. For example, hand wash hai ya phir body wash hai. Also, I have tried to completely cut down on the plastic usage in my life and instead switch to something that's more environmental friendly. Second is that I can say that I've 80% stopped shopping from the fast fashion brands. Now, what is fast fashion? Fast fashion is something that's not sustainable. For example, Zara, H&M, Forever New. I have done a little bit of my research, which I'll share it with you all. Only 12 to 15% of what comes to Goodwill gets sold in their stores. We do have a giant clothing waste problem, right? They don't pay living wages और बहुत ही कम पैसों में काम करवाते हैं. Also, they hide their supply chains कि कहाँ बना है, कैसी conditions में बनाया गया है. It's estimated that 40 million people are trapped in modern slavery. This includes child laborers, victims of human trafficking, bonded laborers. And इसके अलावा भी बहुत सारे research है. You can just read it on your own कि why you should not shop from them. Yeah, that's it. But I won't deny कि I've completely stopped going to these stores. I do go, but अगर बहुत ज़्यादा essential नहीं है, ज़रूरी नहीं है, then I do not shop from them. Number 3 is that I've stopped having black coffee. Now, if you've watched my previous video, you already know that I've stopped having black coffee completely and switched to green coffee or green tea some days. So yeah, this is something I really wanted to do since a really long time, but नहीं हो पा रहा था because I was way too addicted to black coffee. And I somehow didn't wanted this addiction, right? I mean, yeah, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था that I was way too dependent on this. मतलब नहीं पी रही थी तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था no, I want a cup of black coffee. This is not something that I wanted in my life, so I kept on it, and I'm so happy that I got rid of this addiction from my life. Now, number 4. Number 4 is something that I have been doing since I was a kid. बचपन से ये करती आई हूँ and I truly swear by this. It is preparing for the next day in advance. I have this habit of, writing everything that I have to do next day in my phone. So I just jot down everything so that it doesn't slip off my mind. It can be anything. Phone calls, entire day schedule, या फिर, just random errands that you have to do the next day. If you haven't tried this, you should give it a shot because it's life changing, and this way I think your life can be much more organized and everything is pretty much sorted. And number 5 is the most important one, I feel. It is giving space to your own self. In this competitive world, you can be so hard on yourself that you forget about yourself. There will be happy days, there will be low days, but it's so important to give that breath of fresh air to your own self. I allow myself to relax. I allow myself to eat whatever I want to eat on my cheat days. If I want to be a couch potato, not do anything, I allow myself to do that. Because consciously मुझे पता है, I keep myself aware कि अगर मैं ये सब नहीं करूँगी, I'll not be able to function. Yeah, don't be so hard on yourself and try to understand yourself and be your own best friend. That's it for this video, guys. I really hope that I was not preachy and yet this was helpful and inspired you in some or the other way. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.